The comma in complex sentences. In this module, you'll learn how a comma is used in a complex sentence. A complex sentence has a subordinate clause and a main clause. Look at the following complex sentence. In order to refresh himself, he felt like having a hot, strong black coffee. In this sentence, in order to refresh himself is a subordinate clause, and he felt like having a hot, strong black coffee is the main clause. Note that we put a punctuation mark comma between the subordinate and the main clauses. A comma is a very useful punctuation mark. It can separate the structural elements of a complex sentence into sections, making the sentence easier for writers to manage. It is usually put between the subordinate and the main clauses. However, it should not be put before a subordinate clause. For example, although Paul is feeling very tired, he is working very hard. Here, he is working very hard is the main clause, although Paul is feeling very tired is a subordinate clause. The comma has been put between the subordinate and the main clause. If we put the comma before the subordinate clause, the sentence becomes, he's working very hard. Although Paul is feeling very tired, this is incorrect. Let's recall what we've learned. A comma is a very useful punctuation mark for separating the structural elements of a complex sentence into sections. It is usually put between the subordinate clause and the main clause. It should not be placed before a subordinate clause.